loves the sizzling sinigang. Diba? I wish you can try it also. You know what? When you're back. Or I will bring you food. I'll bring you the sizzling sinigang. She enjoyed that and the gising-gising. So I took her there, no, tita. And then she was she didn't know that sinigang could be like that. Because dapat ngayon spokesperson na ako, ambassador na ako ng local board. So yun. Tapos kung gusto mo ng sabaw, malakas pa rin ng bones mo. Buti wala nakakaintindi sa akin. Everyone here, konti na lang titilaok na ako. Sizzling sinigang. Pero kung gusto mo ng sabaw, yung pinakbit nila actually, walang sabaw yun. Lumamp lang yung topic sa ulo. But you know what's good? Also, have you had mesa? Hello, Mark Vega. Mesa. Mesa, laing, binagoongan, laing rice, actually, not just laing. Laing rice, binagoongan, ang sarap nun, bro. Lumpia, squid, baby squid in olive oil. Jollibee, normal order. Isang chicken with chicken spaghetti. Mahirap. Lumpia. I like lumpiang Shanghai. Meron kasing combo meal na may lumpiang Shanghai, may burger, steak, tapos chicken. Yun. Tapos may kasama pa yung spaghetti. Manamlu, oh my gosh, you're... Who said you can change the freaking... Diba? In short, everything. But in McDonald's, what I want is mas masarap Jolly, sorry. Earl, papat ko kaswalan. Earl, casual tayo dito. Sinabi ko bang bati na tayo? May bago ako. Ang bago ko, sarili ko. Your favorite pizza parlor? Gino's? I have to move this because someone's at the back. Favorite pizza parlor? Bumaba agad yung energy ko. Nantok na ako.